Today we're going to talk about Can Am secondary rollers in the two roller style secondary. Before we get started, Hunterworks belts, best on the planet. Check them out. Also check out our Hunterworks Outdoors YouTube channel. See what me and old Hunter do on our off time. All right, so I want to give you a sense of urgency. If your secondary clutch looks like this, not this, look at the difference. You got the holes in the end of the helix here, none here. So if your secondary clutch looks like this is what we just simply call the two roller style, and the OEM rollers are failing at a pretty good clip in these clutches. So when they do fail, they can take out your helix and or your whole secondary clutch. So that's why I say there's a sense of urgency to grab some of Hunterworks' rollers and install them today. The day you bought it was the best day you could have put these in, not wait, because when they fail, like I said, they tear things up. Go to the website where you find the rollers at for sale. There'll be a list of vehicles that are applicable. If you don't never taken your cover off and you're unsure if it's you, the list will be there. We've even sold some for the Riker 900. So at the end of the day, once again, if your secondary clutch looks like this, sense of urgency, get some Hunterworks rollers. Why Hunterworks rollers? We have sold more secondary rollers than anybody and probably everybody else combined for Polaris. Over 100,000 rollers have been sold. We've been selling the Can Am rollers for about 6 months. We've had 0 failures. Now the material we use in the Can Am is much more expensive than the Polaris because it has to hold up to the twisting forces on the helix. So it requires a different material that's extremely expensive. That's why there's a high price on them compared to Polaris rollers. They may look the same, not the same material. So once again, sense of urgency, you two roller clutch guys, better get you some ASAP. Remember, Hunterworks belt, best on the planet. Subscribe and like so you can be informed of any other videos. Check out Hunterworks Outdoors. Holler if you need me, Todd at hunterworks.com.